This is question from 2011, paper 1-1, question number 21. Now you need to understand that what is written in the question. It says the time taken to fill the tank with the water varies inversely. That means I can easily say that the question is about T and the question is about inversely as area. So the question is about A. Of the cross section in inlet, the time taken is 40 and the area is 3. Find the number of minutes taken to fill the tank when the area is 5. Now, question, as I said, the question clearly mentioned that T is inversely proportional to 1 upon A. So, T is equal to Ka, right? So, we know that T is 40 and the area is 3. So, T is 40, whereas K upon 3. Value of K becomes what? 120. Now, since we know the formula, that is T is equal to 120 upon A, considering that area is 5, so T is equal to 120 upon 5. Value of the T becomes what? T divided by 5 is 24. So we write down as T is equal to 24 in the blank. So part B, it says, it is given that the area is A square centimeter. Now, considering that the area is A square, find the expression in terms of A for the number of time taken. So since the formula was T is equal to 120 upon A. Now, the only thing is that A is being shifted to capital A. So the expression for this should be T is equal to 120 upon A minutes, because we have been asked about minutes. So this should be 120 upon A minutes. So write down T as well. So T is equal to 120 upon A minutes. Similarly, water flows into the empty tank through a pipe of area 4 centimeter. It flowed for 9 minutes. Whereas you find the simplest form in the fraction of the tank that now contained water. So first of all, we need to collect the data that how much, considering that the area is 4, so how many minutes it has been taken for the tank to fill in. So T is equal to 120 upon A, it is T is equal to 120 upon 4. So T should be 30 minutes. So considering that the empty tank would fill in for 4 centimeters square, so time taken to fill in that was 30 minutes in total. But the water that has flowed in is for 9 minutes. So considering the ratio, we can say that 9 upon 30, from 30 minutes, the total tank that takes to fill in, only 9 minutes had been, the water had flowed in. So the fraction for this should be 3 upon 10 as your answer. So considering writing down in the blank, we write what? 3 upon 10. This was November 2011, paper 1-1, question number 21 from the topic variation.